Also joining us is Amish.aggarwala, lawyer and an expert on marriage laws, who can perhaps decode this for us further, especially in the interim, what this could mean for Yash Dayal. A very good morning to you, Amish. Hope you're doing well. What do you make of the case, the details of the FIR that have come out so far? If you've been able to go through the details, this is a woman from Ghaziabad who's spoken of how she was in a relationship with the cricketer for about 5 years and has complained against Yash, alleging that she was, or at least implied that she was forced to be in this intimate relationship with him under the pretext of a false or promise of a marriage in future. How does this play out for Yash going forward, in your view?
So one thing is, I have not myself been able to go through the FIR. However, there are a couple of key components that I see taking place in all of these false promise to marry cases. Earlier, straight away a rape case used to be registered. Now the parliament has, in its wisdom, created a separate category of offence, which is using deceit, making these false promises in order to have sexual intercourse, which now technically this is not rape. This is a separate offence which has been carved out by the legislature. So it's a section 69. I must mention though that apart from quashing as well as anticipatory bail, another option which perhaps I would say 1 in 1,000 cases we have seen, which is a very fundamental tenet of law, but practically sometimes is not possible. We've seen it happen in a few of our cases. If the accused person is able to convince the investigating officer that there is no need for arrest, irrespective of innocence or otherwise, but if the accused person is able to convince the investigating officer that he is innocent, or not even of innocence, but that there is no need for custody of the accused person, even then the police can choose to file either in the future a closure report or even a charge sheet without arrest. However, practically it happens very few times. In all of my cases, this happened just once. So it is always advisable for the person in question right now to definitely go for quashing and seek a stay on investigation. If that does not take place, immediately rush to the sessions court for anticipatory bail and also get interim protection, because the sessions court on the first date itself almost never grants anticipatory bail. It grants you interim protection so that you can join investigation, and then on a future date there is a possibility for you to get absolute protection from arrest pending the investigation.
Also joining us is Amish.aggarwala, lawyer and an expert on marriage laws, who can perhaps decode this for us further, especially in the interim, what this could mean for Yash Dayal.